birthday on Saturday, and a lot of you wished me on social media. Thank you so much for that. A lot of you requested for a birthday like vlog last week, but I didn't really do anything major on my birthday. There's just been so much going on in life right now, and I didn't really feel like celebrating. So we just kind of like went for a movie and dinner, and I met my nephews for lunch. But yeah, it was a good day, and I got lots of gifts. So I thought I would do one of these. I did one of these, I feel like, a few years ago. I don't remember when. So I just thought I'd do one of these instead of a birthday vlog. Now, most of these are like PR packages or gifts. Now, all of them are possibly not my birthday gift, but I don't really know because they came in on the day or the day before. So I'm going to assume they are my birthday gift. Yeah, there's some personal gifts, 2 personal gifts actually. The rest of them are all just things people sent me, and I thought I'd share them with you. So gift number 1 is from my husband. So they're Ray-Bans. Now, for the longest time, I've been saying I want to get a pair of Ray-Bans, and I want to get a pair of Ray-Bans. And I remember we even went into actually the store that he bought them from and tried a whole bunch, and he was like, yeah, even I want to get them. And I didn't think he was paying attention because this was like 2 months ago. But he got me these cool Ray-Bans. I think they look really cool. I love the tint. They're like a nice pink tint, and the rim is silver, so very cool. And you can see my ring light. Oh my god, my eyes look so trippy right now. So yeah, this is what Vaibhav got me, and I really like them, and they're in my handbag already, and I think I'm going to be wearing these a lot, and I'm going to be very careful with them because they are new sunnies, and with new sunnies you have to be very careful. Number 2 again is very thoughtful and is from my best friend Nandini. I'm not going to share the details of this with you, but I'm going to tell you what this is. So she actually enrolled me into driving school. So she knows how much I say I want to drive, and this is what I mean. See, I don't just do it in my videos. I tell people that I want to drive, and she actually wanted to give me this last year, and I kept saying, no, this is something I'm going to do myself. Don't give it to me and stuff, and I never ended up driving the whole year. So she was like, because you didn't do it last year, I got it for you this year, which I think is really, really thoughtful. And I haven't started yet, but I'm going to enroll this week, and yeah, then you're going to be like, Sherry is cruising. I'm probably gonna be like this. But yeah, I love this. So these are the 2 personal gifts that I got. Yeah, now let's start with the PR gifts. So the PR Pundit team and my sister-in-laws actually sent me beautiful flowers. I will put a picture here so you guys can see. I love getting flowers on my birthday. I feel like it's really special. So thank you to them. And also Mustard Restaurant sent me this amazing bread basket. You know I love bread. And obviously the basket is not here anymore because I ate it all. But this is the 3rd part of the gift that came. So it's the Estee team that says, happy birthday Sherry, may this year bring you light, love and many more adventures. It's the Estee Lauder companies. Now for a lot of you who don't know, it's the same team that handles Estee, Bobbi Brown, MAC, Clinique, lots of brands that I love, and they sent me like a mixed bag of things. Which is the Clinique 3-step, which is my favorite. You guys know that. I use that a lot. Then we have some makeup. So we have the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. We have MAC Mascara, the Bobbi Brown Foundation, and a lip pencil. So thank you to Joe and the whole team at PR Pundit. I love this. Next up, we have something from Ajmal Perfumes. Dear Sherry, happy birthday. They sent me a perfume. Thank you guys. Now this is from Translate, which is from a brand that I actually saw when I was in Hyderabad at one of the stores there while I was shooting. They have the most amazing and beautiful ikat stuff, and they sent me this I think just before my birthday, so I'm going to think of it as a birthday gift. But I can't wait to see what they've sent because they have beautiful stuff. Dear Sherry, I hope you enjoy this ikat kimono jacket. It has been intricately hand woven and stitched by our lovely artisans just for you. Team Translate. Let's see. So this is really beautiful. It is like a kimono ikat short jacket. It's got a high-low bottom. The back is lower than the front. And yeah, I would totally wear this. Let's try it. This is so cool. Thanks, guys. Next up, we have a rather large bag from Charles & Keith. Let's see what's in here. Dear Sherry, happy birthday from Charles & Keith. So exciting to like open packages like this. So it's a really cute backpack. I've got to put the straps on the back and stuff like that. But yeah, it is really cool. Got these roses and like embroidery on the front, and it says dangerous love, live freely, love fiercely. Love this. Up next, we have something from Promode and Perfect Relations. Dear Sherry, many happy returns of the day. Love Promode. Thank you guys. Ooh, they're clothes. We have this cute little white top and a nice lacy blue vest. I wear a lot of these. Like, I know I end up buying so many of these, but I feel like basic vests with lace look great with a lot of things, and you can just pair them with many things. So this is going to be worn a lot. And there are cute little mustard colored shorts. So thanks guys. Okay, now I don't know what is in this. It seems like a really hard box, and it was sent here, in fact, to Colaba. I just walked in and it was already here, so I'm assuming it's for my birthday. Okay, so firstly, the box is really cute. It's like this little baby pink trunk. How pretty is that? And I was right! It is for my birthday! It says, Dear Sherry, wishing you a very happy birthday. Hope your day is filled with lots of love and laughter. This is from Adirag. So there's really pretty earrings and a cute bag. And it all came in this cute little trunk. Thanks, guys. Then we have something from Swoon. Again, majorly packed. That's a pretty box. Dear Sherry, we absolutely love your work and personality. Here's some love from Swoon. Hope you like it and enjoy wearing it as much as we enjoy making it for you. Ooh, so it's a beautiful white dress. Like, I can't wait to wear this, and it's got like a lovely like lace and crochet bit. Like, you can see the stomach portion is like exposed, and yeah, this is like the perfect dress for like a summer holiday. And I can't wait to wear this. Thanks, guys. So the next two things I suspect are PR packages because they came in 2 days before my birthday. But since we're opening them, I might as well open them now. This is from Nykaa. Kiss and Tell. Oh, I think this is for like lipstick day. Oh, how cute. Look at the pouch. And there are some lipsticks in here. So thank you for this. And this is something I've been seeing on Instagram. Hi Sherry, for girls on the go, whether you're hitting the gym or heading out, Clinique Fit keeps you feeling and looking good. So it's this whole range which is meant for when you're working out or when you're you know, out in Bombay, because I feel like we're constantly working out. There's a post-workout face and body cleansing wipe, which is cool. Hydrating spray. There is face powder, mascara, moisturizer, and lip and cheek flush. Very cool. I can't wait to try these, and if you guys want me to review them or do like first impressions, leave that in the comments because I feel like these products are really interesting. Thank you, Clinique. Okay, so that is it. Right now I'm going to show you guys a shot of my room, and it is an absolute mess. So I was so excited to open all the gifts on my birthday, but I didn't do it. I was like, no, I have to film the video, and I controlled myself and brought them here and filmed today. So yeah, I'm glad I did it with you guys. Thank you to everyone who wished me, to everyone who sent me gifts, everyone who spoils me. Thank you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment below with other video ideas of videos that you want me to try. Check out my last video here was my Pune vlog where I surprised my mommy and daddy for my dad's party birthday. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. Bye.